Hi everybody, I had a quick little order come in from Slimbo. I'll make sure I got everything out of here. I've been using the Slimbo notebook this year, and I've been using it as my wallet. I've taken everything out of it right now. And this is January, February, and I have one set up for March, April, and May, where I've got my calendars that I've printed out and put in here. And then this will be my like on-the-go calendar, and it fits like right in my back pocket, so it's really perfect. But I was having trouble deciding on a pen to put with it because most pens tend to be bigger than it, and then you also have to decide like, where am I gonna put it? How am I gonna put it? So Slimbo now has in their store some tiny writing utensils. So number one, I just got this because it looked like a cool pen, and it is small, but it's still, you know, about the size of that other pen I showed. Just maybe a little bit thinner and a little bit lighter because this is plastic and that's metal. Why this is very heavy. But I just wanted to give it a try. But the things that we're here for are, I got a couple of refills. This is teeny tiny. It is by the brand Otto. I have a tiny fountain pen by Otto. So if you look, it looks like a little pencil. And it says Otto Sharp Pencil APS 350 ES Japan. In here. Just so you can see, there's an eraser at the top. You press and you get lead to come out down here. And it's so tiny. And it just takes, where'd I put the little wrapper? It takes standard 0.5 lead refills. So, and it's called the Otto, O-H-T-O, Sharp Pencil. And it's 0.5. But it's so tiny, and it feels like it's wood. But everything inside is, yeah, feels like wood. Very cute. And now you can see, very tiny. I'm quite zoomed in for this video. So there's that. Now, the next pencil I have came in this little package called the Minimo. M-I-N-I-M-O. It's all in Japanese, but it's by Otto as well. And as you can see, it is teeny tiny. So it comes like this. This is like a plastic card. You can like tape it to a notebook like this. If you have a card slot like this, you can slide it in. Or if these were card slots that go in like this, that would work, because this is business card size. But this right here is the pen. It takes this refill right here, which is the R4C7NP, and it's actually a 0.7 millimeter. And it's made in Japan, but I'll try to do this. This is the little button you poke, And you'll see how there's right there. And then on this side, see how there's like a little notch? When you click that, this goes back in. But that's the only way to get it to go in. It's kind of like those Sarasa clip where you like, on the actual clip, you pull that up and it goes in. But let's, first of all, it is so tiny. I don't think I could write with this on a daily basis. What is this called? The Minimo. Oto. And what was it? 0. Let's see what the packaging says. It's only 91 millimeters in length. And it's a 0.5. 0.5. But I do have a refill here that is 0.7. So you can get them in slightly larger. But look how rinky-dinky that is. And it even says, ooh, I almost lost it. It even says right here, Oto Minimo. It's just a teeny tiny little pen. And again, if you clip that, it goes down. And I think this card is so you don't lose it because it is so tiny. I have some tape on it because I did tape it into a notebook. But I just wanted to share a few of these pens. Here's the, I forget what this one is called. It's another Oto pen. Here, I'll write with it. And it's, this is the refill for it. It's a gel pen. I'll just write Oto pen. This little teeny one is a ballpoint. This one is a gel. And then this is a pencil. I just thought I would share a quick video of a few of the cool items that you can get from Slimbo Notebook. I will link them down below in the description if you have any questions. So I just thought I would share because they're so tiny. So there's the pencil, there's the Minimo, and here's the, what is more considered the standard size pen. Very cool writing items. I've never in my life had a pen or a pencil this small. I normally use like this, or this, or this, you know, much more standard pens. Oh, here's like the clip. See how there's that little thing in there? That's what that is on there. So I will link Slimbo down below where you can get a leather wallet. You can get I forget what the other material is. You can get these really unique inserts with a variety of covers. My favorite has to be the very retro. I have a stash of these that I love, but I've decided to go to some more neutral ones for the next few months, so that way I don't go through all of my ones that look like a Game Boy. Okay, there you go. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.